Yay! Guwapo, pagwapo, pagwapo. Yay!
Looking back when I was young, had a dream when I grew up, I would be someone, gonna be someone, yeah, building towers in my mind, something they could see was mine, and then I'd be loved, see what I have done, I've been searching for something, God knows.
Happiest 70th birthday. Ayan. So masaya kaming lahat dahil narating niyo tong edad na to. Tatay, salamat sa pagmamahal niyo sa aming mga anak niyo. So alam kong ayaw mo nang magastos na birthday kasi gusto mo na lang ng cash. Hindi kasi pabili ng bigas, pambayad ng kuryente, ganyan. Pero dahil 70 years old mo na, kailangan i-celebrate natin itong buhay mo dito sa mundo. Dahil sabi nga nila, according to Bible, na 70 yung maximum life ng isang tao, according to Bible. So,
I could travel overseas, chase the sirens calling me. I could sail away, make my great escape. Yeah, I could write the biggest song, and all the world would sing along. They would know my name. Everything would change. Everybody wants to be somebody. Everybody wants to be someone. Everybody wants to be somebody, but I just want to be somebody to you. Somebody to you. I've been searching for some.
Salamat ako sa asawa ko. Mula nagsama kami dalawa, napakabait niya, mapagmahal, mapag-alaga. Pag-iising ko, luto ng pagkain. Sana pa hindi ka magbago. Alagaan mo kami. Bandyan lahat yung mga anak mo. Nagmamahal sa iyo.
God knows how hard I've tried, but I'm finding out all that matters now is the magic in your eyes. The magic in your eyes. Everybody wants to be somebody. Everybody wants to be someone. Everybody wants to be somebody, but I just want